So we're in Fresno, California. We are doing some demo here, taking a look, seeing if we could find a water leak that's happening up at the upstairs bath area. Originally, we demoed the back little hole over there. We talked to the homeowner, and they seem to believe that that's where the tub was at, and that's not. That's just attic space out there. We did see a water line coming in, a 1-inch main, then a 3/4 line coming through the tub cavity. So further out, about 5 feet in, is actually, you've got a beam sitting up here, a glue lamb. That's where the exterior wall is. Then the tub sits here 30 inches out. Back here is a little seat, a deck built behind the tub, maybe 12 to 18 inches deep from front to back. And then, of course, about 16 to 18 inches tall. And so they reported they were getting flooding down here when they were showering. So valve was on the exterior wall, so we were pretty confident it wasn't water. We did cut in here and find water on these existing lines. But once we dried them off, no further water. We did run a bunch of water onto the platform. So this is just a little seat back here, about 18 inches deep. And then, of course, it goes up and sits behind the tub. So you can pop up onto a little seat behind the tub. You've got 3 penetrations. You've got the vent from the tub. You got the hot and the cold water lines. The hot, not sure where it's coming from or going to, but I know that probably in that cavity, where the tub sits, you got a 1/2-inch line going around the valve, also the cold going around the valve, and then next to it you can see that's the toilet sitting right there. So we've got multiple holes in the wall. We've got water rolling through the bottom, the hole right here, which is through the floor, which means water is sitting on top of subfloor and then rolling across and permeating underneath floor tile and getting out into this hole and draining down. It drained real quickly and real aggressively out of this 1.5-inch hole, this 2-inch hole for this 1.5-inch pipe, because water was rolling down it here. Water was rolling through this cutout for the hot and cold water. And so the platform or the deck or the seat, however you want to phrase it, which is about 30 inches wide, which is the same width as the tub, or 32, right around there, by about 16 to 18 tall and 16 or 12 to 16 deep, which is probably going to sit right above this area where you can see this flooring material, secondary flooring material as a cushion, has failed. Whatever reason, the water's coming through the tile. It's getting through. The tub does have a lip all the way around. On the long side, which is the 60-inch side, there's a lip. On the 30-inch side right here, the tub, it has a lip that rolls up. Same thing on the far end. And then you have the apron that sits out on this side coming down. And so something's going on with the tile. And we don't do tile work. We don't do demo of tile. So you'll need to get with the tile guy. Of course, you're going to need with the home warranty and have him come out. So we're going to get your report going and forward this video to you as well. Outside of that, this inspection is done.